In this video, we're going to run through a basic server upgrade. I'm going to be upgrading one of my Statseeker 561 servers to version 562. I've already contacted support and downloaded my upgrade image, and there was a service pack available, so I have that too. And I'm ready to proceed with upgrading my server. So here we have a 561 server, and the first thing I'm going to do is head to the admin tool, Statseeker administration, software upgrade, edit, and browse to my upgrade image and upload. Now this is a good time to review the upgrade guide. In the top right, documentation, installations, upgrade and migration, and the upgrade guide. I'm upgrading from 561 to 562. Now, if you're not familiar with the upgrade process, have a quick read through. If you are familiar, do take the time to check the important notes. This section details the changes that will impact you post-upgrade. Review the content, and if you have any questions, then contact support. We also have a link to the release notes here, so see what the new version contains. If your upgrade will be transitioning through multiple versions, then we have release notes for older versions in the archive. All right, back on my server, let's proceed. Once uploaded, Statseeker checks the image and the server and produces an upgrade report. We have a key down the bottom indicating tests which have passed and from minor through to major issues. If you see something of concern like I have here regarding backups, you can click the document icon to view the details of the issue. Now the note here identifies that while I do have a backup configuration applied on the server, the test was unable to find a backup file in the repository. Now, failures in some tests will prevent the upgrade from proceeding. Say I've gone and uploaded the wrong version file. I'd have a failure up here stating that, and the upgrade action would be disabled. But this item doesn't prevent the upgrade from proceeding. If I attempt to go forward with the upgrade, it will still highlight the issues and I can review the details, and I've got the option to go back and address those issues. And once I've done that, I can retest. But I can also just acknowledge that the issue is there and proceed with the upgrade. Once I initiate the upgrade process, it's hands off. The server will be unavailable, server functions such as polling and alerting will cease, and the upgrade process will proceed. Towards the end of that process, my current web session with the server will end, and I'll be presented with the login screen that we see here. Logging in, I can head to the console and confirm that the new version has been applied. I now have a 562 server. I can also head off to the admin tool and confirm that my license is as it should be and drop into Manage Packages and install the latest service pack for my new version. As a final step in the process, we do recommend that you create another backup. Now, remember, Statseeker will only restore a backup onto a server of the same version. I now have a 562 server, but my last backup was 561. So I need a 562 backup if I want to restore the server without having to roll back to a previous version. And that's a Statseeker server upgrade process.